Hi guys, you gotta see this. I am at, where the fuck am I? I'm at a campground, BLM campground. Anyways, here's my view. There's the truck. Right down here. So if you look way down there, it's river, and then there is a trail. See that right there? To get down there, it's way too hard for me. But apparently, this used to be Butch Cassidy's hangout, hideout, whatever. So somewhere down there is a cave where he would hide out. And there's also some petroglyphs somewhere. But if you could see, the trail kind of goes up through here, but then it's like straight up that way, and I can't do that. I'd love to, but I can't. And there's no cell service out here, which is fine. I'm going to hang here just one night and then head back into civilization. But it took me a while to drive out here, and Google had me going somewhere completely fucking different, so fuck Google. But with the help of locals, I was able to make it here. So, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.